Oh my god. Oh my god, I think this is it. Is this it? Oh, look at this!
Oh my god.
Oh my. Good morning from the top of the Giant Trail. When we arrived at our camp yesterday, we realized that we had absolutely no cell service in the area. So we couldn't really check our trail maps or anything for the hike that we were planning to do when we got here. So we kind of are going into this a little blind. I have no map, no anything other than this picture right here. It's gonna take us probably about 7 hours to do the top of the Giant Trail today. So I'm hoping that it goes well. Wish us luck.
The lame, the weak, too afraid to start the dreams that only came to pass them by. Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can't. 'Cause it shows me that faith is more than sight. Here's to the wandering child looking for a star to guide, pushing through the darkness of the night. Hold your hand up to your heart and know it's just a chance to start. I know that it might feel like it's too hard. Time to watch, grab a hand and make this day our march. Pulling down the walls we cross, fighting through the walls.
All right, guys, so we only took about an hour and 45 minutes to get to the trailhead junction. So we walked for about 8 kilometers already, and it flew by. So I'm pretty impressed with how fast we're going. We have about another 3 to go to get to our destination at the top of the Giant. So yeah, we're pretty stoked. Came from all the way down there and we're going all the way up there.
Cause faith and love is all you need. This old world doesn't see.
We made it to our first viewpoint and it is beautiful. That is Lake Superior. Woo.
This old world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. Yeah, we could change the world if we would just believe.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I think this is it. Is this it? Oh! Look at this! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, we made it! We made it to the gorge, top of the Giant.
All you need. This old world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. We could change the world if we would just.
So I am officially sitting on top of the highest cliffs in Ontario. Woo! Look at this. Ah! Took us 3 hours to get here, but every step was worth it. I'm sitting up pretty high right now, and he's too scared to come over here. Ready for this? Oh man, this place is so cool! I love it here. How'd we do here? You hate it, I'm sorry.
Oh, your place amazing.
It's actually good.
Made it.
The lame, the weak, too afraid to start the dreams that only came to pass them by. Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can, 'cause it shows me that faith is more than sight.
Lucas is trying to get me to leave right now, but I don't want to. I just think this is probably the coolest place I've ever been to in Ontario. Not gonna lie. Finished hiking 24 kilometers. We both feel like we have broken knees, but good done. Good job, baby.
Good accomplishment.
Good job. Glad it's over. Oh yeah, I got blisters, which is hilarious because that never happens to me, but I do have them today. Ouch! As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell. You know what to do. It all really helps me out. And stay tuned for part 2, which I'll be posting this week or next week. We'll see you next time.